Hello everyone, welcome to another Unity tips and tricks video. Today we are going to talk about namespaces, what they are and why should we use them. Alright, so namespace is already used in many of the .NET frameworks that we use into our daily programming in Unity. So for example, in this case we are using the random class that belongs to the system namespace, and here in the another example you can see there is another random class that belongs to the Unity engine namespace. So namespace are basically used in these frameworks to organize the many classes that we use into our daily programming, right? So we can, if there is no namespace, there might be contradiction. So for example, in this case you can see the gun controller is having a conflict issue because it says there is a duplicate definition of gun controller. So it's always a good practice to always bind our classes into a namespace that's going to contain the class definition on all the method declaration that belongs to the class. So in that way we can have now multiple gun controller, and even if we download a plugin that already have a gun controller, that is not going to conflict with our gun controller script, right? So now you may ask that every time I create a new C# script, I have to declare this namespace. This is going to be so much painful. Is there any shortcut? And obviously there is. So I have created another video where I show you how you can create a template for your Unity projects, and then every time you create a new C# script, that template is going to be applied. So you can use your own template to declare the namespaces, and then you don't have to do it all the time. But this is really important to have the namespace into your project, so your script doesn't conflict with some other developer or other API that you are going to use in your project. So yeah, so that's all about it for today. I'll see you in the next video with some more amazing Unity tips. See you then, and don't forget to subscribe.